We are still loving this hair. Let me tell you, I can't tell you how many times a day I flip my hair, okay? It's like flip, flip, swing, swing. Hi guys, it's your girl, Jen J. Welcome back to the channel. We're still loving these braids. The intro. It's your girl, it's your girl, Jen J, of course. Welcome back. Sis, we are still loving these braids. They are still giving us life. However, it is time to moisturize. So this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I moisturize my hair when it's braided like this. So many of you guys actually reach out to me and ask me. So today you are getting the answers that you're looking for. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button though, and the bell so you get notified every single time your girl uploads a new video. Also follow me on Instagram because, I don't know why not. So it's really important for you to moisturize your hair while it's braided. I know we like to braid our hair and forget about it, but not today. We're gonna learn to do better and change our wretched ways. When you have braids in, it's so important to moisturize your hair. Personally, I think it's the easiest time because you don't actually have to unbraid your hair and moisturize. You can moisturize while it's braided and keep it braided. So your moisturizing routine will be super fast. So you don't actually have an excuse as to why you're not moisturizing your hair when it's braided. So let me show you exactly what I do. Super simple. I know you can buy something, but I actually like to use the things that I already have at home. Especially if you have these products sitting at home that you don't really love, it's the perfect time to use them up. I know, you know me, I like to be efficient and save money and look good. Okay, so what I do is I use a water bottle. So there's only water in here. Where are you going? There's only water in here right now, but I'm going to dump it out and start fresh because, I just got my hair braided. I wasn't using it, but I'm going to dump it out and start fresh. So I like to use water, a leave-in conditioner, and an oil. So to do that, I'm going to dump out the water. I don't actually need to dump out the whole thing. I'm just going to make it so I'm at the halfway mark. And then I will add a quarter of leave-in conditioner and then fill the rest up with an oil. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. And between you and I, you can even go as far as watering down a regular conditioner that you may not enjoy, or even a deep conditioner that you really don't like. I'm just saying, it's time to go crazy. The type of oil doesn't really matter. Whatever oil that you like, whatever oil that your hair enjoys, use that. Now we have our own personal LOC bottle. And you know what LOC stands for, right? Liquid, cream, and oil. Instead of using cream, we use a leave-in conditioner, but whatever. It's all ready to go for you. Everything that your hair needs is in here. Now, depending on how thick your leave-in conditioner is, you may want to use a little bit more water or less water. That's your preference. I like to keep it kind of watery because I'll tell you why. I like it watery because one, I need to be able to spray it out of the nozzle, and I've done that mistake before where I made it too thick and it just won't come out. Two, because your hair is braided, you want to be able to squeeze the product through your actual braid so that it can get to your hair. You don't want it just sitting on top of this Kanekalon hair, okay? We're not trying to moisturize this. We're trying to moisturize our hair. So that's why I like to make it quite fluid. If you notice, I didn't go all the way to the top. That's because I give myself a little bit of a leeway. So if I need to adjust, I can adjust later on, but that's basically it. So what I do with this, I shake it up. You know, when I'm sleepy at night, I'm sleepy, I don't want to do this, where am I? Then I can quickly just grab this, and what I do, I just go ahead and spray my actual hair with this. I don't spray my scalp because I don't actually want to put conditioner on my scalp when my hair is braided. So I stay where my hair is, and especially where I know my ends are. So this hair is perfect for that because I can see where my hair ends. Then I can really hit it up there, you know? Make sure that my hair is moisturized. Oh, and it smells so good because the leave-in conditioner smells really good. It smells like I'm in the candy world. Once I have it in and I'm happy with that, then you know, I'm gonna make sure that I squeeze it all the way through my hair. And my hair is not wet, you know, it's not dripping or anything like that. You don't need to go off on this because technically you should be doing this every night. So your hair is gonna get a little boost of moisture every night while it's braided. And when you take out your braids, then sis, that natural hair is gonna be moist. She gonna be juicy. Another thing that you can do is actually spray in your hands and go through your hair so that it goes exactly where you want it to go. And for me, I'm really just concerned about my ends. As you see, I'm really making sure that my ends are getting this goody so that they're not dry. I'm not playing with them. Once you're done, you know, tie down your hair so that your protective style lasts longer. And that's about it. Now, if you want to go the extra mile while you're doing this, you can also take care of your scalp at this point. I have a whole video on how I take care of my scalp, so I'm going to link it in the cards and down below. But while you're here, I will quickly show you what I do. So I spray my scalp with aloe vera juice solution, and I go on my edges with this hair growth elixir. You don't need to buy something specific for your scalp. You can just use aloe vera juice or even straight water just to really give your scalp some hydration, and then follow up with an oil. Especially if you're trying to grow your hair, if you're using a special solution, a special recipe for hair growth, then this is a perfect time for you to do that while your hair is braided. The aloe vera juice is actually going to moisturize my scalp, nourish my scalp, prevent dandruff or itchiness or anything like that. So I really enjoy using aloe vera juice on my scalp when I have it braided. For some reason, I have a hairpin. That is so me. I always just like stick hairpins in my hair. So this is what I'm using for my edges. As you guys know, I am trying to really nourish them, baby them. You know what I mean? Just make sure that they grow nice and strong. So I'm on this journey of taking care of my edges. But this is the perfect time for you to give yourself a scalp massage. Yes, make it a thing. Give yourself literally 10 minutes in the evening for you to just take care of you. It doesn't need to take forever. Once you put these kids to bed, take care of you, take care of yourself. This is one way that I do that. Yes. And there you go. That's it. That's how you moisturize your hair while it's braided. Always make sure that you moisturize your hair while it's protected. That's the best way to prevent breakage and dryness when you take out your braids, especially if you want to keep them for longer than a month or two. Then you have to make sure you take care of your hair underneath. Let me know if this video was helpful. If there's any other videos that you want me to make regarding how to take care of your braids or protective styles, let me know. I'll be more than happy to make them for you. Thank you so much for watching. Give me a thumbs up on your way out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.